In this generation, most of us are using media and information. We cannot deny the fact that it is now part in our life. However, do we really know how to use media and information in a good way? Here are some tips on how to use media and information responsibly.
First is verifying information. Before sharing an information or news on social media, we should know first if that is accurate or it is from reliable sources.
Second, avoid clickbait. Mostly clickbait leads us to misinformation or news. As a responsible users, we should avoid this and instead look for reliable sources.
Third, protect your personal information. Avoid sharing your private information to social media or to other persons that you don't know personally. We should be cautious to these kinds of things.
Fourth, engage in constructive discussions. As a responsible user, we need to be respectful and to be open-minded to avoid spreading hate and bullying online.
Being mindful of online presence. Responsible users should be mindful about posting or sharing content online.
Sixth, evaluate your sources. Make sure that all information is from credible and accurate sources that can be reliable.
7. Respect intellectual property. Give credits to the original owner to avoid plagiarism and as much as possible, ask for permission.
8. Be mindful of your online behavior. As a responsible user, we need to consider the impact of the other people about on what we are posting or sharing online.
And lastly, promote digital literacy. It is best and important to educate ourselves about what is happening to our surroundings and to share our knowledge to the other people.